Hi everyone, I'm Professor Dansereau and welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at Pareto charts. Alright, with the Pareto chart it's actually two charts in one. You have a histogram count and you have cumulative frequency. So first I'm going to show you the first of two ways to do this, where I'm going to build both separately. So first I put in my histogram of counts, and you can see it just corresponds there. Second of all, I built the frequency. So the frequency is, well, for the first one it's just 50. For the second one, dense, it's my 50 plus 30. And I just drag that down, grab the fill handle, bring it down. So my total number of defects is 125. What I need for the Pareto chart is the percentage. So it's simply the piece, which is 50, divided by the total, which is 125. And then I'm going to go to C7, and I'm going to make this an absolute by pushing the F4 key. And what that does for me is allows me to just drag down and not have to retype the formula. All right, so now if I click in the chart, I can add to my chart. So I'll go to Chart Design. I'll go Select Data. I'm going to do Add. I'm going to call the series name Percentage. And I'm going to add the series value, which is my 40 through my 100% here. And OK. But you see what happened is that the percentage is a lot smaller than the count. So I just have to click on any one of the orange pieces. It's easier said than done. And I can do the change type up top. All right, so I do change type. And instead of a cluster here, I'm going to do a line chart, and I'm going to add it to a secondary axis. So there's my Pareto chart. An even easier way to do it is to select all at once. All right, so I build the percentage first. Now I'm going to take my histogram count. I'm going to hold down the control key so I can select non-adjacent rows, and I'm going to select the percentage. Now if I go to my charts and recommended charts, you'll see that it automatically puts in the Pareto chart for me. All I have to do is change the title and I'm set to go. I'm just going to call that Pareto. And there you go. That's all there is to Pareto charts.